Hey guys, you did it. You made it through your first week of the Live Athletic Challenge, and I cannot be more proud of all of you watching you guys here come to the gym. I know the first week kind of sucks. You are exceptionally sore. Things are hurting. You probably have muscles, places you had no idea there was something there. But you keep showing up, and that is what matters. You are creating these amazing habits, and I promise the soreness will go down. Usually takes about a week to a week and a half before you have soreness here and there versus just crazy soreness all over. So with the recap of week one, like I said, it's your first week of workouts, but also this week, we were focusing on quality calories. That was the only thing we were focusing on nutrition-wise, was being able to hit our calories through quality foods, meaning lean meats, fruits, nuts, seeds, veggies, and that kind of thing. So I would assume that most of you guys have had the eye-opening experience of how much food you really have to eat in order to hit those calories. It's a crazy amount of food, especially if you're eating healthy. Because 9 times out of 10, people do not eat enough. And when you don't eat enough, your body kind of hoards the food because it doesn't trust that you're going to feed it again. So we have to train your body to trust you, so that way it trusts that you're going to keep feeding it, so that way it can use the food you give it as fuel. So with this week, we are going to add another focus. So hopefully we have kind of gotten a handle on the calories. So this week we are going to focus on calories and protein. So protein is a structural component to all cell walls. It's also what helps rebuild those muscles after your workout. So when you work out, you're actually doing little micro tears in your muscles. And we need to rebuild those because that's what makes you stronger, faster, and things like that, with the use of protein. So protein is things like eggs, fish, meat, poultry, and then there are some confusing ones. So then there's these food items that have a lot of things in them. So for instance, say a kidney bean. Kidney bean is a carbohydrate. It is, so if I had a pie chart, I would say the majority of the pie is carbohydrate. It does have a decent amount of protein in it, especially for a vegetable, but it is not a protein. With that being said, if you plug it in and you're gonna use it, maybe one of your days you have a lot of calories, you have a lot of carbohydrates left, and you need a little bit of protein, the beans would be a great choice. Instead of eating a piece of chicken that doesn't have the carbohydrates, to where now you have to eat something else for that. So there is a use for them, but I don't want you to think lima bean equals, or any bean equals protein, because it's a carbohydrate that happens to have protein. Same thing with nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters have protein in them, but they are considered more of a fat. So go back to that pie chart. The majority of that food is fat, yet it does have a nice big sliver of protein. So once again, it can be utilized when you start trying to do that, what I call nutrition Tetris, to try to get your weekly foods in. Think about those ones, beans and nuts, that kind of serve both worlds, that might help you kind of fill some of those gaps. So with that being said, just a reminder, this week we're focusing on hitting all of our calories within 100 grams above or below our 100 calories within 100 calories above or below. Protein, we are trying to hit within 5 grams above or below your allotted amount. And then don't forget, the thing that's going to make you successful in this is food prep. So doing the plan, then go shopping, then food prep is going to make things 10 times easier. If you are struggling with what to eat, definitely check out our Pinterest page. It's on Pinterest, it's called the Live Athletic Challenge, and there's tons and tons of recipes in there for you. So good luck this week, have fun, and I'll see you in the gym. Have a great day.